Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm so excited because guess what? I got my camera! Okay, so I have it right here and I'm gonna open it. It's so heavy. I'm so excited. I got the box. So like the post, like the driver came and it was like right across from mine. So I have to ask her for it and here's my mom. Okay, let me hold it here. Oh my gosh, look. Okay. Wait, mommy. Looks like she's more worried or excited than me. Okay, high lên. Here it is.咁high 晒過先好㗎嘛。Oh my god, it's right here. Here's the battery. I'm like so nervous, I'm shaking. And then I'm gonna put the battery inside, but I don't have the memory card just yet.
Power into.
Hả? Will you like it? Okay, nó tao I got it. I'm gonna turn it on. Ah! Má nó hủy chỗ à. Okay, we gotta set the date and stuff. Cảm ơn cái đầu à? Today is the 1st of March. Oh my god, look at the flip screen. Okay, so right now we're going to go get the memory card from Best Buy. I'm so sorry for the bad lighting. I'm just so nervous right now. But like, here's the box and everything, and the battery and stuff. Yeah, here's the charger, and here's the strap that I will put on for the camera. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time when I get the memory card and when this is like fully charged. So yeah, bye. So I got my SD card over here and I'm gonna unbox this. Okay, so you're just gonna peel get it off over here. It's a couple hours later and I'm so excited to put this in the camera and actually record. What the heck? How can you get this out? Okay, this is so hard. Okay, it's right over here and I'm gonna take the camera out. I put it back into the box because, you know, I'm good. I'm a good, what do you call it? I don't know. I just care about everything and like, I just want them to be new and stuff. And then I'm gonna flip it over and put the camera in. So this time I'm gonna know how to put it because I put it the wrong way. I put it like this and it's not right because there's this yellow thing over here on the left and it's not on the right. So you're supposed to flip it over so it matches. And then you just insert it. Okay, I'll turn it on once again. Why is there like so many fingerprints on the screen? Okay. Ooh. Now there's the memory card in, and I don't know how to start this, but I'm gonna put it on the tripod that I got. Okay, so let me tell you the story of this tripod. So I bought the black one, but it came in gray and red. I'm kind of mad still. It arrived yesterday, and I knew the camera was gonna come today, so kind of excited. Okay, and I'm gonna put the flip screen up. Oh my god, this looks so good! I don't know how to record. Okay, so I'm gonna press this button and record. Oh my god, so I just switched to the camera and I just pressed on the record button. I need to stop looking at the viewfinder because it's just right on top of it right here. And look in the camera. Oh my god, so good. Okay, here's the comparison. Let me bring my phone here. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna walk around with the phone. Here's the phone here. Here's the camera. And you can already this looks so weird. But I can already tell the quality is so different. I think I should stop the phone and then just stay on the camera. Okay, I'm gonna stop you. Okay, so I have it right here. And I'm just gonna walk around and like play with the camera. I'm topping so here's how you focus. Okay, so I'm just gonna do like some kind of stuff to you, like I can't find any words. Like walk around the camera, and should I go outside? I don't know. But I'm just gonna walk around, and walk around. I'm gonna go into my room. Like my arm is kind of hurting right now. Okay. Damn. Okay, so here I am in front of the mirror. I'm gonna put this down. Oh my gosh. Hi, say hi to the mirror. Okay, and this is the tripod. I don't really like the tripod because yeah, I don't really like it. But let's switch back to this front camera. Not okay. You know what? I'm just gonna go to the back there. Man, hi.
Ây da, chị bắt dùng sao mà áp tay sườn giờ mới dùng nè.
It's so awkward after they came back in, but I just want to end it and like look at the video because I'm so curious about this camera. I'm gonna set it down. Okay, so let me talk about this camera more specifically. First of all, this camera is for my birthday. It's kind of a birthday present and I am so thankful for this. I personally paid $200 for this camera, so don't call me a brat or trying to brag or anything. I'm not trying to brag. I'm just showing you what I got for my birthday, and that's the only thing that I'm getting for this year. Last year I got a phone and this year I'm getting a camera, so like it's pretty fair because some of you guys get more than one thing, so yeah. But we don't really celebrate birthdays like you guys do. We just buy a cake and blow the candle and just like that's it. That's all we do. We don't go anywhere else. We just stay home, and that's just like a normal day, except you having a cake and stuff. I'm back, but I'm grateful, of course. So this is it for today's video, and hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to smash that button and subscribe. Yeah, peace out, bye.